Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can create a group on your Kik account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. In order for you to go ahead and create a group on this application, you'll have to go ahead and have friends on the app as well. That is a requirement, and now I'm going to show you how you can do it. Just go ahead and open your Kik application, and finally once you have done that, you're going to tap on the bottom right plus icon, which is right over here, and now tap on start a group. And over here on the top you can simply name it whatever you want, and then you can simply go ahead and add the person who is friends with you on your group. Just tap on their name and just click on start, and your group will be made, as you can see. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.